Mommy Duck and now Baby Bird and Mommy Duck are going away.
So they're flying. Baby Bird and Mommy Duck are flying. They're such good flyers. Look how far they're flying. But
They're flying to the doctor.
But your friends are over there. They're flying to the doctors. Why?
I got you, Minxie.
Are they still flying?
Yep.
And where are they going to go fly to?
Doctor.
Doctor, why?
Because they're flying.
So they got to go to the doctor because they're flying?
Yeah.
The doctor's supposed to make them feel better. You're going to get dizzy. Careful. Tiana.
Why?
You're going to get dizzy.
Mommy Duck and Baby Bird and Mommy Duck are flying fast.
No, you gotta be careful. You're gonna get dizzy. Whoa. Whoa.
I remembered, Austin. How could I forget your birthday? I thought this was going to be a terrible birthday, but it's the best birthday ever. Now it's time for the monster dance.
Mommy Duck and Baby Duck and Baby Bird and the ducks are Mommy Duck and Big.
Spin the other way. Go the other way. Yeah, go that way. You're so slow. Why? Are you better that way? You're a better spinner that way. You're practicing. Careful, the table's there.
Baby Bird and Mommy Duck are flying really fast.
I know. How about they come back and play with their friends? They've been flying too much. Whoa, they need a break. Yeah, they need a break. They've been flying too much. They're tired. Come sit down on the couch. Come on, Mama Duck. There they come. They're coming in for a landing. Oh, they're so tired. Oh, they were flying. I was flying all day. Hey, bird. Hey, birdie.
I was getting tired.
Oh, I was flying for so long. How many?
I was getting tired.
Yeah. I was getting dizzy because I was spinning like this. Whoa. Whoa.
I was going to spin like this.
Are you going to show me with the bird or the duck? Wow. They're flying really fast. Okay, let them land. They're going to come land for their donut.
Now they're flying down.
They got to fly down for their donut.